We'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to our channel, where we discuss the topics Unlocking the Potential of Multibagger Stocks, a comprehensive guide. Here, we delve to the world of investing and investigate the possibilities of multibagger stocks. In this extensive guide, we will offer you with useful insights and tactics that will assist you in recognizing multibagger stocks, which are investments that have the potential to increase in value over the course of time and unlocking their power. Multibagger stocks are stocks that provide tremendous returns, typically many times their initial investment value. These stocks are extremely rare and are considered diamonds in the stock market. These stocks have the potential to beat the market and to generate enormous wealth for the people who purchase them. When looking to invest in multibaggers, you should look for firms that have a high growth potential, creative business models, competitive advantages, and fundamentals that are rock solid. It is crucial to explore the elements that lead to the outstanding performance of multibagger stocks in order to gain a better understanding of the potential of these stocks. We delve into topics such as growth in sales and profitability, dominance in the market, disruptive technologies, distinctive value propositions, and expanding opportunities in the market. Investors can find firms that have the potential to become future multibaggers by examining these criteria and looking for companies with that potential. In this section, we will investigate a variety of tactics and methods that can be utilized to locate prospective multibagger possibilities. In this lesson, we cover the various methods of basic analysis, such as analyzing industry trends, evaluating the quality of management, and examining the financial accounts of a company. In addition, we discuss the significance of carrying out exhaustive research, analyzing competitive landscapes, and locating the factors that can spur the expansion of a company. We also go into the techniques and indicators of technical analysis that can assist in locating stocks that have the potential to become multibaggers. This involves looking for potential entry and exit opportunities by evaluating chart patterns, trend lines, moving averages, and other technical indicators. Investing in equities that have the potential to earn multiple returns at once comes with certain dangers. In the process of making investments, we place a strong emphasis on the importance of risk management and doing one's research. Important aspects in risk management include gaining an understanding of the risk factors posed by the company, evaluating the risks posed by the industry, and taking value measures into consideration. In this article, we will cover the significance of diversification, the use of stop-loss orders, and keeping a long-term view in order to minimize risk while simultaneously optimizing the potential for multibagger gains. In order to provide useful insights, we look at real-life case studies of multibagger stocks that occurred in the past. By researching the success stories of firms that have seen considerable value appreciation, we are able to extract key lessons and highlight common characteristics and catalysts that pushed these organizations to enjoy amazing growth. These case studies serve as a source of motivation and provide useful insights into the characteristics that investors should look for while searching for possible equities that could multiply their initial investment many times over. A mix of careful study, the ability to exercise patience, and a methodical approach to investment are required to realize the potential of multi-bagger companies. Investors are able to find and capitalize on possibilities for outstanding long-term returns if they first have a grasp of the elements that influence the performance of multi-bagger stocks, then undertake thorough analysis, and then manage risks efficiently. Remember, investing in multi-bagger stocks includes risks, and not every stock will generate multi-bagger returns. It is vital to perform your own research, seek the assistance of a professional when necessary, and construct a well-diversified portfolio that is in alignment with your financial goals and the amount of risk you are willing to take. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube to gain access to further educational videos on the subject of investing. In these videos, we go deeper into a variety of investment strategies, provide updates on market trends, and investigate additional themes connected to realizing the potential of multi-bagger companies. Let's go on this path of investment together and find prospects for amazing growth and the building of riches. See you in our next video.